How to add page numbers in MS Word. Step-by-step tutorial. Adding page numbers to your Microsoft Word document is a simple yet essential skill for organizing your work, whether it's an essay, report, or book. Follow these easy steps to insert page numbers like a pro. Launch Microsoft Word and open the file where you want to add page numbers. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu bar. In the Header and Footer section, select Page Number. A drop-down menu will appear with different placement options. Select where you want the page numbers to appear: top of page, bottom of page, page margins, or current position. Pick a design, for example, plain numbers, bold, or with borders. Word will automatically insert page numbers on every page. To start numbering from a specific page or change formatting, double-click the header footer, then use the Page Number Format option. Press Escape or click Close Header and Footer to return to your document.